Welcome guys. If you want to get iOS launcher on your Samsung Galaxy J5 2016, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here iOS launcher. We have to get this application from the Lutin developer. There is launcher iOS 13. Click on it, tap on the install, and now just wait. When it's finished, click on the open. Click allow 3 times. And right now tap on the home button. Right now we have to select our launcher, and of course we want to switch to iOS launcher. So click on it. It is loading, so we have to wait a little bit. So right now we got our iOS launcher on the Samsung Galaxy J5 2016. As you can see, it's really fast and really easy. There's the Simply application from the Play Store, and when you add the widgets here on this screen, you have to also grant the permission to get it work. So click here, go for the permission, select all of these switchers, and right now the calendar will be working also. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe to our channel. See ya!